Hey guys, so it's a good and welcome back to the club. So doing voiceover today, making spicy chicken nuggets using some spicy boneless chicken breasts. You can get this in this food place now, Extra Foods in Grand Bazaar. Plenty for 20, I think. That I'm gonna buy tea. So right now I'm cutting our chicken breast into some chunks to give it the nuggetsness. Yeah, into some chunks that feel resting because I think I have 3 chicken breasts and it didn't want to separate, so I had to cut that together. Yeah, urine. Cuts. No, it's still kind of frozen, but I had put it defrost under the water and then I had to take a break to feed my child, so it defrosts now. But we just cutting it up. Okay guys, so I'm going to use some Louisiana crispy chicken fry chicken batter mix. Now this is spicy and this chicken already spicy, so I don't want to use too much of this, but I'm also going to use some crispy breadcrumbs, lemon and pepper. Everything I want to buy spicy. Because that's so for the best. So you're supposed to mix this with water, coat the chicken in this, dip chicken in this, and then coat it back in dry this now, in the dry version to this. So it's supposed to have a wet bowl and a dry bowl. It's supposed to coat it in the wet one and then dip it in the wet and then coat it in the dry. But I'm gonna dip it in the wet and coat it in this after. Now I think this crispy breadcrumbs is made locally. Or I make a hole. Oh my god. But yeah, I think this is made locally. Looking kinda good. But anyways, so I'm going to mix the bowl of this first. And I'll get back to you when I have my station set up. I already have my pot with oil. Some oil that I use already. I'm going to reuse it. I'm going to just preheat it one time. Some oil that I use to make Cinnabite. Things is buying cinnamon. You don't know. I made that. So I'm going to reuse it because it was pretty clean. Not pretty clean, it was clean. So I'm going to use it back. There. So after that, yeah, I had to take a break to feed my child. That's how I tell the chicken get to defrost. So here in this big bowl, I have the butter, and in the small bowl, I have the breadcrumb stick. So I just testing out one piece to see how it would work. So there I am dipping it. But what I did find is when you dip it, it picking up plenty, so it was kind of drippy, which trim off. So I dip, put anything. I don't know what I was trying to do with that stick there, but it didn't work out. Shake it up so the whole thing might get coated, and then I put it to fry. So once I did that first one, I just went ahead and do the rest. Put my oil on medium heat so it will be hot to burn it. There I am putting my test piece to fry. Fantastic. You don't know. So boom, taste test. The first piece, bites, crispy, cooked, delicious. That black thing second, and plus the rosemary stick, so many breadcrumbs thing. Tastes so good, but it was hot. But it tastes good. It wasn't too spicy. It just had like a little hint of spiciness, which was sweaty looking now. Like, OMG. I had got some butter on my lip, but bow, bow, bow. They got me one time. It looking a little dark because the breadcrumbs had to fall off and fry up, so these got coated by default. But that's okay. You know why? Because it's still tasting damn good. So let's do a test run with a good piece. Cooked, cooked. Delicious. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back. And I'll be back again with another video.